Welcome back. Let's have a look at EOS then, shall we? A coin that we've been looking at for about a week or so now. So basically we're looking at it here on the 4-hourly chart, and it looks like perhaps maybe we're in for a little bit of trouble. Not a guarantee, nothing's a guarantee right now, to be honest with you, but it does look like we perhaps are in for a little bit of continuation of this move that we had to the down, and that was brought about by Bitcoin deciding to just pull the rug from underneath all the majors, and some were hit harder than others, and some actually recovered quite well, like Ethereum. There's something that I've definitely not overlooked. But EOS was the front runner of all of these, so we've got to continue looking at EOS until we decide that the whole thing is over. But at the moment, it definitely looks bearish. Now, my previous EOS video, I was saying that I'd got involved here and we rode this one up to the top. But our resistance level, about just give or take $4.20, was quite high, and we were looking for a sort of a move down. Without the whole Bitcoin thing falling, I thought that $4 could perhaps be our area for a bounce, but as Bitcoin pulled the rug from under our feet, we did hit the second target, which I said, of around about $3.85, which was kind of, not exactly, but kind of where we bounced from. About $3.80 is essentially where it bounced from. Again, where are we looking to find ourselves as a result of this move now? So we're above, or should I say, we're trading within this cloud, and you're not really supposed to, or it's a bit of a rule, you do not trade within a cloud. The cloud offers resistance, and the cloud is currently green, and we're almost above the cloud, which should be good. Now, if we can raise our value and get up above $4 again, I might flip and turn bullish again, but at the moment I'm kind of agnostic to this move, with a little bit of concern that we might break down again. And again, it would appear that all alts are very delicate to Bitcoin's move. Now, even though the Bitcoin dominance chart has been falling, it's gone up a little bit, but it is generally falling, doesn't mean that alts pump as a result of that. All it means is that there's a shift when it comes to Bitcoin moving a bit, and alts will start to take on a life of their own. But it doesn't mean that if Bitcoin doesn't fall, as we saw on this move, that alts will also fall too. And actually, you've noticed as of yesterday, when Bitcoin was doing this bit of a fake out move to the up, some alts started to pump with it, and then they started to drop off with it. It's a really interesting situation at the moment when Bitcoin dominance is falling. It kind of makes things a little more unpredictable when it comes to certain coins. Don't know how they're all going to react. They all react differently, this is the kind of thing that I like, really. So yeah, pick the ones that you want to look at, and you do as much analysis on them as possible. So just on the main indicators that I've got going on now, we do have a cross here that took place because we have a big drop on the Itchy cloud, and that cross is looking quite steep, to be honest with you, and not really looking to have any kind of reversal on the 4-hourly chart. We're in the cloud at the moment. We look like we might be getting ready for a cross on the MACD, but at the moment we're certainly in bearish territory. So I'm going to leave this one until we break above 4 cent before I decide to flip and turn bullish. If we break above 4 cent and close above 4 cent on a 4-hourly, 12-hourly, or even a daily actually, then I'll probably be looking for a continuation or to the up above these areas, and probably up to around about where would we be looking for? $4.20 would be a very difficult one to break, but if we did break above there, yeah, about $4.57 would be my next target, really, for EOS. So I'm just going to leave it with you there. A bit of food for thought. Like I say, we've got to watch Bitcoin. We've got to wait to see what Bitcoin wants to do, and Bitcoin wants to break its formation to the up or to the down at the moment. So it's a bit of a no trade zone. We're going to have to wait this one out probably through the weekend actually, and to see which way it wants to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and take it easy.